So at first, introduce yourself and start your formal presentation. Yeah, okay.
Yes, my name is Abdullah Shirali. Today I would like to say something about my proposal. My proposal is designing and implementation of wireless car security system using GSM technology and some sensor integration. The why that I am why I'm- the why that I'm choosing this topic because of nowadays I have deep knowledge and also I'm interested in this area, and also in last year, and also this is my thesis, so that I need to make as publication. Okay, let's start for introduction. The why we need for car security system is that we know nowadays the car thief is increased, so that we need something safe our car, because of if anything happen in our car, we need to know about in our phone. Like if someone broke our car, if anyone enter our car, or if anyone try to smash the glass of the window of door, anything, maybe we need something indicate or some alarm to get. Uh, the objective is that to enhance our car of security system, and also we need something real-time monitor, and also we need something fast notification. Those are my objective in my proposal. Uh, System component in my plan is that I need to use microcontroller, which is like Arduino, and also I need to use something called GSM shell. This GSM shell is like because I need to get notification in my phone, anything, and also I need to use different sensor like vibration sensor, motion sensor, and also door open sensor. Uh, this is my sensor. The functions of sensor, door and window sensor. The first sensor is indicate is it is detected unauthorized enter when anyone try to smash or to access, we will get some notification. Another sensor is glass break sensor. This glass break sensor is like when someone smashes or something broke, and if anything maybe happen, we get some notification. And also my plan is that to use motion sensor. This motion sensor is that when someone inside the car, anything maybe, for example, someone, maybe you have baby, or you have a dog, or you have a cat, anything you maybe forget, then it is detected the motion inside your car. In my system, it consists two parts: transmitter unit, and receiver unit. Yeah, this is my end of my presentation.
Okay, thank you. It was a very short presentation, and you have time to do add a few extra things. By the way, it is a good presentation. If the audience have some questions, you can ask. You can, okay, keep the slide open. Okay, Abdullah
Okay.
Shiri, you can keep your slide open.
Okay.
Please open it out. Open it again. Do you have any question, please, from the audience?
I think no one.
Okay. The general thing is that as it is a proposal, so in a proposal, we expect that at first you will introduce the problem. Am I right? You will introduce the problem. You have done it. Okay, alhamdulillah. So this is your problem. And the second step, you have to explain your objective. It's fine. You can explain the objective here, or also you can explain the objective after explaining the state of the art. That means what is the current status of this problem, how this problem is solved by other researchers or other practitioners. You have to add few points here, like you have to do some literature review, you have to do some analysis of the previous work, that this is the current state of the art solution, or this is the current system existing to solve this problem. Then you will criticize them, their limitations, their contributions, and you will find some research gap, and based on it you will provide some objective like this. And also you have to propose a methodology, like what is your target, or how how you want to solve this problem. So you have incorporated most of them, alhamdulillah. So, but you did not provide any overview how your system will work. Okay, did you provide it? You just discuss about the sensor functions or the transformer unit. But if you provide a overview diagram, like as a flow diagram, everything will be more clear. Understood? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Now
This
come to the
is
point. What is your objective? Please go to the objective slide.
okay.
So
Yeah.
please point out the okay, just note down my point that you have to add a state of the art literature review. Am I right? Literature review on the existing research. Okay, what
Yes. Yes.
they have already done and what was their contributions and what are the research gap is there, and then you will write your objective to fill up that gap. Understood?
Yeah. So
Because what we have done up to now, that we have shown you how we are progressing. That is, what is the target of this course. We are discussing this thing again and again. Why? Because we wanted to make sure that you are going through a process that what are the research method. We are not only covering that how to write a paper. Am I right? I already told you this course is not all about just to how to write paper. So it is also covers the process as well. We are not here only to write paper. Am I right?
yeah.
So I think you understood the problem. And what I am saying right now,
Yeah.
yeah, you have to provide uh, a methodology. Methodology means you can present in a diagram. You can present as a step. Okay, what will be the first step? What
Okay.
will be the second step? What will be the third step? Like this. Do you understand my issue?
Yeah. Yeah. I understand. Yeah. So much. Yeah. Yeah. It is clear for me.
If
Yeah. Now.
anyone, because I am providing the lectures, okay, just for now I am just giving feedback on the presentation of Abdullah, but it is for everyone. Do you understand what I am trying to say? Just for example, let me show you one paper, my paper, so it will be good for you. I'm just randomly I am picking a paper just to show you what I am trying to say.
Okay. Let it stop.
Yeah, you can stop your screen share. Again, you will start, no problem.
Okay.
So my feedback will be for applicable for everyone. Don't think that it is only for Abdullah. This is for everyone. Am I right? And we are showing this diagram from the very beginning of our lecture. Am I right? These two. Okay. This one, the research process, and the structure of a research article. Am I right? And we have explained a lot of things from the very beginning. And we said that, the structure of research article closely related to the research process, but there's a totally different thing. This is the process how we can become a researcher. This is the process after completing research, how we write a research article. Am I right? Please respond with me at least yes or no. If you don't understand my speech, please let me inform. Then again, I will repeat. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Abir Jisan, after a long time. How are you? Fine? Can you hear us? Abir Jisan,
Yes, sir.
you can hear us?
Yes, sir.
I am seeing you for after a long time, inshallah. Please contact me after the class, okay, inshallah? Okay. So the thing is that, for the proposal, as a complete article, we need many things like abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology. But for the proposal, we expect these three things. Am I right? One is introduction, literature review, and methodology. This is the proposed methodology. We will implement later, but you must present a methodology. How you are going to solve your problem? Understood? Abdullah, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand my point? Let
Yes, sir.
let me show you one paper. Can you see this paper?
Yes. Framework.
Okay,
Yes.
just for example, this is a you don't need to understand the topic. Just understand the flow. This is to detect the real-time tweets, whether the tweets is supporting terrorism related text or not, like this. Okay, so what we have done, this is complete paper, but proposal will contain the introduction. What is introduction? We already discussed, but that means already covered by the lectures of Professor Dr. Rashidul Islam. Am I right? He already said that introduction, you have to establish a territory. That means you have to introduce introduce that specific topic. Like, what is your broad topic, Abdullah Shiri? What is your
My
broad? What is your
wow, wireless card security system, designing and wireless card security system.
card security system like that? Okay, then you will okay tell what is card security system, and okay, what are the possible ways to secure a card. Okay, fine. Then you will go to the specific. Okay, you are adopting a specific area. That means it's called establishing a niche. Niche means this is not the huge area we are going to cover, because with a single research you cannot solve every problem related to card security. Am I right? So
Yes.
what you are going to cover here, you should focus on that specific point. Then you will also say, okay, fine, I am trying to do this. This is my principal findings. For the findings in the proposal will be the objective. Understood? The findings in the proposal will be the objective. When you will complete this research, it will be the findings. Am I right? And you will also say, okay, fine, rest of the paper are written like this. This is called indicating structure. So the main idea is that in the introduction, you have to introduce your idea, then go to the niche, that means the small area, then you will say your methodology and your findings. This is the introduction. In the literature review, what you have to do literature review, I have already provided 2 lectures. Am I right? You have to critically analyze the existing research. Okay, and the methodology you will propose how you will collect data, how you will apply data, how you will apply your techniques or tools and methodology, and how you will analyze them. This is called methodology. So this part is missing in your presentation, and this part is also missing. Am I right? So you are just covering the introduction and some explanation of the sensor. So this is my critical analysis of your presentation. And by the way, it's a good effort. You have tried your best. But let me show you what I am expecting from your presentation. That I expect, okay, fine, you are introducing the idea, and then you discuss the related work. And then we expect like this, you will propose a methodology like this, okay? You will propose a figure. Just for example, this figure is not too clear, but still, is it visible?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Better.
Yeah. So in the first module, this is the Twitter data crawler. That by this module, we are collecting data from Twitter. Okay, what we are doing here, it's okay. You don't need to understand. And we also storing that tweet, and we are doing something here. So this is one module. And again, we are applying some algorithm to classify it. So this is called tweet classification module. And again, we are showing our output module, training module. So what I am saying, how you are going to solve this problem, okay? How you are going to address your research objective. And I already told you that as in the process of research, we can set our research objective. We can also set research question and hypothesis. Am I right? You also did not form any research hypothesis. You did not also form any research question as well. Understood? Abdullah Shiri.
Yeah. I will include.
We are here to learn, not to just don't take it negatively, and don't mind, please, because we are in the learning phase, and you should learn from. We should learn from each other. So that's why I am showing you from the practical example, so it will be good for you. Understand?
Yeah,
Clear?
definitely, yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think you have feedback. Okay, I am not going to give you feedback for your specific topic. Am I right? I am giving you a general idea how to prepare a proposal. So
how about the specific of topic?
Yeah, how about the specific topic? Because if you propose a methodology, then I can go for a specific one. But right now, I can give some feedback based on your objective. Let's go to the slide of objective you have presented. I already stopped sharing. Okay, can you go for it?
Yeah.
Again to your slide.
Yeah, my object.
Yeah, go to the objective slide. So what is your objective? Can you please explain?
Yeah, enhance card security means to increase the security system. Maybe I mean that I need like.
So this is not objective. Am I right? This is not objective. This is what we can say. This is the outcome.
Yeah, outcome. Yeah.
Whatever you will do, okay, it will enhance the security. So here you have to focus by which method, by which technique, by which algorithm, but or how we will enhance the security, you have to write the objective like this. Understood? This is not
Yes.
all about enhance the security. Again, if I go to the paper, you will see that in our paper we have some contribution. Okay, that was the objective. Okay, initially. Then we converted it to contribution. When we have implemented it, we have converted into contribution. Am I right? So here you have to, okay, let me tell how you will improve that, enhance the security, card security. How? How?
Because I need, yeah, because of I need to add some sensors.
Sensors.
Some
That's
sensors.
now
Yeah.
you have to write like this to use in objective. Basically, we write like this to improve, enhance card security by using sensor-based technology like this. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
To
Understand. Yeah.
then to detect to monitor real time. Okay, using what? How you will monitor the real time? You monitor real time only sensor.
Yes. Yeah, no, into GSM.
Yeah,
GSM.
then you have to write like this to detect real time, to monitor in real time basis using GSM technology. Understood? In the
Yeah.
objective, you have to mention the method, you have to mention the technique, tools, or algorithm. Then it will be more clear. Okay, what you have written here, their outcome. Understood? Okay.
Yes.
And in the objective, the third objective, you can write like this to notify the owner of the car using this. How you will notify? How you are going to notify? So you have to also mention this technique as well. So okay, it's fine as you are new and you are developing. It's highly appreciated. And if you have methodology now, I can give you feedback, but now I cannot give you feedback unless you have any methodology. Am I right?
Okay. Yeah. I will add. Then I will inform you. Inshallah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Welcome. You're welcome.